Miss, I would like Shane to try my website and let us hear what she can comment.
So first of all, Miss, my comment in this her website is nice and
You
it's
can say
koan
simple,
yes,
incredible, what?
simple and dili siya sakit sa mata. Yes, mara nice.
So let us. You can try.
So
Press
I go
the
the
shop
shop
now. So you will proceed to the product. So what can you say in my product page?
So
Is it okay,
so
approve or not?
for me the shoes is kalagkela, balik-balik siya.
It's
And
not about the shoes. I mean
the
the
clothes.
web page.
Okay.
Is it okay,
Yes.
approve or?
Super approved.
So what can you comment? What I need to improve in my website? Should I put more details here?
Yes.
And the
And
name of the product?
the
or
name
the
of the
price?
product, then the price para makahibaw sila kung pitag pila or unsa na siya nga pangan nga product.
Yes, yeah. Very nice comment. So view if you want. So let us close that one and then proceed to the next page.
So here, contact. So here,
What can you comment about my contact
very simple.
page?
Very simple. So need siya improve diri dapita.
So what I need to improve? Should I
The-
put background or something?
Yes, the background of your website dapat kuan. Sakto lang ang kuan. Dapat the here number sakto. Okay lang. Basta
So
very
that's
nice.
all, Miss. What can you say? Is it nice or not nice?
Very nice.
Bye, Miss. Thank you.